What's up? It's Joe with OCDetailing, and our favorite local shop is at it again. This is the 5th time we've had a car come in from this very unique auto spa that has a less than adequate install on it. So the customer picked the car up. He was super sad. He took it back 3 times. It was there for a combined total of like 3 months, and the results still not great. So let's walk through some of this. So we haven't pulled the film off this yet, but if I'm judging by all the past cars I've seen, I bet the paint's gonna be cut in 9 million places. But let's just start looking at all the corners and edges here. So this is a full color change on a Lamborghini. So this is a very nice car. It's a Lambo. So you can see like all these edges are lifting right here. Corners are popped. There's bubbles right here. Now bear in mind, this is the 3rd time this car was touched up. There's some really wonky patchwork here, lifting here, weird cuts here, the parking sensor. And then if I were to pull this off, I bet there's a blade mark underneath here. Same thing here, like you can see the film's lifting on all the edges. It's lifting on the edge of the headlight here. More bad cuts, more bad edges, more lifting, more failing, more lifting, all the way down. This mirror's a joke. Like, I don't know what they did here, but it looks like the line was cut here by a 5-year-old. If we just keep going, here you go. Like, the film was tucked in here and apparently ripped for some reason, and then the corners are bad right here. Weird cuts here, weird cuts here.
I don't know if defenseless when they gave it back to the customer like this.
I don't know. I don't know how you give a car back to the guy. Oh,
so like, what do you think? It looks great, right?
I asked him and he said, oh, you just have to leave it out in the sun and everything will like... I was like, so if you leave it out in the sun for like 6, 7 years, maybe? I don't know. But look at this. That's like, this is what you want your Lambo to look like when you do a wrap on it. Like, look at all the... We haven't even made it like right here. What is that? What is that? I don't know what that is. And then like the roof line was all like, that's a nice clean line there. Look how straight and professional this line looks. It's very jagged. Let's see. Oh, thankfully there was film underneath the film, so that they cut on top of this film, because when they bladed through they bladed through that, it actually just hit the other film that was underneath here. I love all the white showing over here too. And then, oh, more fun here. Also, they said that this was textured and that's why it looks bad, because they used cheap vinyl instead of PPF on these. The edges are all wonky. Again, he had 3 shots to touch this up and make this customer whole. 3 different times this car was dropped off, and it still looks like this. I think whoever did the passenger side sucked more than the person that did the driver's side, but they still suck too. Look at all the wonky edges and corners, and look at this. Like, what is this? It's like, also, if I'm guessing, there's some paint damage under here. I don't know, but I feel like there's probably going to be a bunch of paint damage, because we've seen a bunch of other cars these guys have done, and they all had lots of paint damage. One of them, there's a Rivian that had $40,000 worth of paint damage. There's a Mercedes that probably had the same amount, but the customer offered not to have it repainted. But, now what is that? Oh, the paint's cracked. Look at the blade marks.
Yeah.
What is that? What happened? Why is the paint cracked right there?
A lot of documentation for this one.
Yeah, so we're gonna start removing this. Wow, what is that? Why did they do this? Because they cracked the paint. Wow, there's a massive blade mark right here. You can see it right there. Oh, hi. Okay, well, we're gonna pull some film off this car. We actually just did a color change on one of these. It's like, it came out really nice. don't feel like this came out very nice though.
Spent a lot of time on
We did.
it. Looks really nice after.
We didn't spend 3
Customer
months.
was happy. Customer was happy.
Hey, we didn't spend 3 months on it.
That was a color shift too.
It was color shift.
That was color shift. Yeah.
ULTRAFIT color shift car. Yeah. Okay, well, let's pull the film off and see what we got.
It's gonna be on the Instagram page too.
Probably. Probably.
And it will get removed when I post the video.
Huh?
I'm like, we never did that car. What are you talking about?
Yeah, right? That's what they did. They just took the,
Yes, they did. I was just like, oh, they don't even exist anymore. But I have screenshots of it.
Yeah. So, like, let's just take this car off our website. We don't want to take credit for this one. All right, let's see how it goes.